You guys waving this through?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's really strange. I feel very foreign. It's a really interesting experience, and I just wanted to share that with all you. So there you go. They don't like gringos, do they?
Some do, some don't. White balance. We're on Babler. One way at a time. It's Mexican red. We just exchanged it in the rates 30.70 for the American dollar, so we're rich. I'm just here with it.
Again,
Ooh, look at those hands of the military.
How much for the Switchblades?
We can get this one right here for 20. That big black one right there. This one. Same one. ¿Cuánto?
Now you're gonna select wing for bargain game of the $14.95 for $10.
Chip bought a switchblade. He's got a knife. Maybe a gun.
You got it?
Yeah. I'm gonna cut ya. I'll have to cut ya.
Let's go tag them. Let's tag them. Buzz bombs and skyrockets.
That was a pretty killer deal.
That was.
Your best deal.
The best deal.
Special waterproof bomb. That sounds good.
Special waterproof bomb. I like it. It's got a ring to it. Yeah, I agree.
Bottle rocket, 50 cents.
If you give the whole break.
Not a whole break.
Okay. Thank you.
Arriba, arriba! Tells me it's too far. We like it dirty. That's the way they're supposed to look.
I'm Tripp. You like it, that's Tripp? Bulldog. Bulldog.
Hello.
American band.
Where are you from?
Los Angeles.
I live in LA too.
Do you?
Yes, in Englewood.
Really? I'm from Hollywood.
Yeah, right down the street. We're neighbors, huh?
You sing or what?
Yeah, I sing and he plays the bass.
Right, so
Sticker called Engines in the Back.
give him a couple. Trick dance on an engine puppet. Hello. 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 Where are we, man?
This isn't Honey Beach. We're not in Honey Beach. I think we made a wrong turn.
Down the hatch. Cheers.
Cheers.